Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to perfectly reduce loud sounds on your iPhone and iPad. If your iPhone audio sometimes feels too loud, especially when using headphones, Apple provides a built-in feature to help protect your hearing by reducing the loud sounds. It's simple to enable and can make a noticeable difference during music playback, videos, or calls. That said, let me show you how it's done the quick way. So first we have to launch the settings app on your iPhone or iPad. And then you have to choose sounds and haptics option. And if you're using an iPad, you have to choose the sounds option. Then you have to scroll down and select headphone safety option. Here you'll find an option called reduce loud sounds. Now turn this toggle on to activate the feature, and once enabled, you can choose your preferred maximum volume level by using the slider, typically ranging from 75 to 100 decibels. For most users, setting it around 80 to 85 decibels offers a pretty good balance between clarity and safety. This feature works by automatically lowering audio levels that exceed your chosen limit, helping prevent sudden spikes in volume. Especially useful if you frequently use earphones, AirPods, or other Bluetooth headphones. Additionally, you can monitor your listening habits by going to the Health app on your iPhone. Under the Hearing section, you'll see data about your headphone audio levels over time. This can help you understand whether your listening habits are within the safe limits. Now, keep in mind that this setting mainly applies to headphone audio and may not affect sounds coming directly from your device speakers. If you want further control, you can also manually lower system volume or use volume limits in specific apps. By enabling the reduce loud sounds feature, you can create a safer and more comfortable listening experience without constantly adjusting the volume on your device. And that's pretty much it. Now that you have unlocked this pretty helpful feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives. And I'll catch you up in the next one.